Hey there, everyone! Welcome to Easy Brizi, where we make virtual reality accessible for everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to never miss an update from us. If you're a returning viewer, we're so glad you're back. Now, are you ready to explore the exciting world of VR with us? If so, don't forget to smash that like button. Today, we'll be diving into VR, explaining it in a way that's simple and understandable. By the end of this video, you'll know all the basics to get started on your VR journey. Defining VR. Let's start by defining what VR, or virtual reality, actually is. Imagine being able to teleport into a video game, an interactive movie, or even another country. That's what VR is like. It's like jumping into a swimming pool of experiences, except instead of water, you're immersed in digital worlds. VR is your digital teleportation device, immersing you in a wide range of experiences. Benefits of VR. Now you might be wondering, what can I actually do in VR? The answer is, almost anything. You can play immersive video games, explore far-off places, learn new skills in an engaging way, or even train for jobs. Imagine learning about the Roman Empire by actually walking around in Rome, or training for a mission to Mars while you're still on Earth. The future is already here, it's just not evenly distributed. William Gibson. Types of VR systems. There are mainly two types of VR systems out there. Think of it like owning a pet. A tethered system is like a dog, requiring a PC or console to play with, just like a dog needs a lot of care and walks. Standalone systems, on the other hand, are more like cats. They're independent and don't require any extra devices. Tethered VR systems are like dogs, needing a PC/console, while standalone systems are like cats, independent and self-sufficient. Choosing your first VR system. When choosing your first VR system, there are a few things to consider. It's like picking your first car. You need to think about your budget, what you'll be using it for, and what kind of maintenance it requires. For starters, standalone VR systems are generally easier to manage and cheaper, making them a great beginner's choice. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Alan Kay. Setting up your VR. Setting up your VR is like assembling a Lego set. It might look complicated at first, but if you follow the instructions and take it step by step, you'll have your system up and running in no time. Don't worry, we'll be here to guide you along the way. Setting up your VR is as simple as building a Lego set, step by step. That's all we have for you today on this introduction to VR. We've covered what VR is, its benefits, the types of VR systems, and how to set up your first system. Remember, VR is like a digital teleportation device, allowing you to explore a wide range of experiences. Now it's your turn to take the first step into the amazing world of VR. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy to understand VR content. See you in the next video.